Hey Sam, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 1986 Mercedes-Benz SL560 Coupe. Give you a shot of the engine compartment. Looks like there's some paint chipping off on the underside of the hood, right here on the side. Front grille looks great. Chip there. And again, a little more paint coming off right here on the underside of the hood at the edge. And then I don't know if it's going to show up, but there's some paint chips in here, and also looks like the clear coat is I don't know, maybe just coming off a little bit right there. It's not peeling or anything, it's just a little duller color right there. Not color, but just the sheen itself. Front bumper looks great. There's a little scratch or crack right here. Little indentation there. Front fog lamps look great. And there's some paint that's been touched up right along the front edge of the hood at the chrome. Some paint chips here and there, but otherwise in really good shape. This is the front left tire and wheel. Looking down the left side, nice and straight. I don't see any imperfections there. The side molding looks good. Left rear tire and wheel. All the glass looks excellent. No chips or cracks in the front. There's a scratch up here on the top. A shot of the trunk. Tail lights look good. There's some little dings right back here. Bumper molding looks good on the left. Little ding right here on the bumper. Some scratches here. A little scratch on the side corner of the right bumper molding. Just the right rear tire and wheel. Looks like some paint flaking a little bit here. On the top of the trunk, there's a little ding right there, just a small dimple. Looking down the right side, it looks good. I don't see any dimples or anything there. Side molding looks good. Mirrors are great. This is the front right tire and wheel. Little paint chip right there on the front bumper. moving to the inside, it's the front left door and sill. Interior upholstery looks great. Here's the driver's seat bolster. Looks excellent. Carpet looks great. $61,437 miles. Dash also in excellent shape. This is the passenger door. Sill. And seat. Again, the bolster on the passenger seat. All the interior here, this seating area looks great. Alright, there you have it, Sam. I'm going to get this video into Lauren. She'll get it uploaded and over to you, and then follow up to see if you have any questions. Thanks a lot and have a great day.